Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters today to show you this really great Catalina bunkhouse trailer. This is the 291 BHS and it's quite a beauty. We'll start with the inside and see what it's like. Follow me. Now as we go in, the first thing I want you to know is this has the new solid step system. I'm sure you've seen them. If you haven't, I'll just tell you they're the best steps that have ever been on a trailer. They're very easy to put in and out and they're very nice to walk on. So let's come to the very back. Now this trailer has a bunk system that's really clever. We have a bunk right here. That goes up out of the way, of course. And then we've got actually, this can be a dining area. So let's say you have kids and you want to have a little extra space for eating. This is the kids' table, but it'll also make down and do a bed. The other thing is, this has a door on the side. I can open this up and I can access this whole entire area as an indoor-outdoor storage area. So it really adds a lot of versatility. We got an overhead bunk here with a ladder, so the kids can scramble in and out of bed without so much help. And it's got a TV cabinet here and some storage. Just a really useful space. Got nice little bit of hanging storage in here. And then in here we've got a beautiful bathroom with a skylight, and I want to point out this is a dry bath, not a wet bath. So you don't have to sit on the toilet while you're taking a shower. All right, one nice thing, and especially on bunkhouses, is to have a family seating area. This storage down here is all complete storage, but it also makes a large bed and a good table for everybody to sit around. Take this table out of here and you have a sectional sofa. Right here we've got a nice bed that folds down, and it's a couch and it's a bed and it's storage and it's a center armrest with a cup holder. So that's pretty nice. We've got a large fridge and freezer. We've got a beautiful kitchen, got an oven. You know, it's amazing how many trailers don't even have an oven anymore. Got a nice big double sink for rinsing and washing, and you'll notice they've gone to a recessed sink instead of a sink above the cabinet, and it makes it a lot cleaner. This has a TV cabinet here, home theater's already built in, lots of storage. And here's one of the best features. This has a real live bedroom with a real live door. So if we take a look in here, you're going to see a queen walk-around bed with nightstands on both sides, electrical power. There's a TV hookup over here, there's storage over here. So this whole area right here has a door, and I just go look, see how many trailers you find that have an actual bedroom door for privacy. This one does. Especially important when the kids are at the other end of the trailer. Now let's take a look out here. One thing you see on this trailer, big tires, big wheels, those are aluminum wheels, big ground clearance. You can pull this into an unimproved campsite. You don't have to worry about damage. Also, we've got aluminum skirts instead of plastic skirts, and they'll hold up a lot longer. In fact, the whole trailer's an aluminum siding. That means it's not laminated together and it weathers very well. You don't have to worry about delamination with this. This is sheet metal. It doesn't have that problem. So it's dynamite. If we look around the front end here, you can see we've got the large bottles, and again, sheet metal on the very front of the trailer too. So no weathering or damage in this front area. This is just impervious to sunlight and rainwater. If we go over here, we see lots and lots of big slide out coming down here. I want to show you something down here. This slide out is what's called a rack and pinion slide. It's the traditional way of doing a slide out. It means you have a full size slide, and it's very reliable. The slide goes straight out and straight back. You don't have to worry about any cables or pulleys or hydraulics or anything like that. It's just an absolute solid state way to run a slide in and out. That's the best way. Okay, last thing I want to point out is in the very back of the trailer here how nicely crowned this roof is and how we've got a backup camera hookup. So if you want to have a backup camera, we're pre-wired for it. This is the Catalina 291 bunkhouse. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or you'd like to see it in person, give me a call. My name's Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.